None of the four. I'm not with the HEMA committee because I'm not part of the Malayalam industry. Or HEMA committee, maybe if I think they failed. In Malayalam, the industry failed in addressing WCCE. I think. Because if they have gone ahead as an independent body, if they are taking, I don't know, here also fire, I don't know. If they have registered themselves as a NGO sector, what sector that they are registered as? If at all they are ready to take the responsibility, nobody is stopping them. But they cannot come and blame or they cannot come and impose on a film chamber of commerce. Chamber of commerce, to start with, we are not registered under any of the Employment Act or anything. It is a Cooperative Society Act body wherein we have an electoral body here. Every 3 years or 2 years there has to be an election, and then based on that there is office bearers. So what we do, traditionally what we've been doing here is, we have seen Kannada cinema industry has seen we are celebrating 90th year. And for all these years, under the film chamber, need not be. It on their own, independently, they have taken the responsibility of addressing the issues whenever it has occurred. Okay. So we are around 24 entities under that. And most of which, except for the Artists Association, most of which comes under the Labour Act. And obviously, every union will have their own rules and regulations and bylaws set to it. And then they will address the issue then and there. Okay, if it is not addressed there, that is when we'll come to the mother body. That is the Film Chamber of Commerce. Even if it is not addressed here, they can straight away go to the police because nobody can stop anybody. It is democracy. And our country, we have to be very proud that every woman is given so much of an importance here in this nation. And nobody here to stop anyone going to a police. So we have had the first experience, Ms. Shruti Hariharan coming out and saying openly that she has undergone some physical assaultation, that too during the shooting, on the spot that she has mentioned. And that too she came up and complained after 3 years. Even when the release of the film was happening, she did not utter a word about the co-actor that she was acting with, and later on she accused. Okay? After 3 years she came back and nobody did know that she was married. Only when she went to give an FIR, that is when everybody came. I'm only saying the status, even her personal status was also not known to anybody. So she comes after 3 years of time. Here also now, what is happening with HEMA? I think you all should speak about it. All of them are coming after 10 years and 15 years. अब तो है ही कानून ऐसा बना है कि 100 दिन के अंदर हम लोगों को जाके रजिस्टर करना चाहिए. आपने तब तो सुनाया नहीं है आपका तकलीफ़ों को. क्यों नहीं सुनाया? किसी ने तो दबाया नहीं है आपको. यहाँ पे तो किसी ने दबाया नहीं है. उनकी आज़ादी उनके साथ में है. Nobody did ask her not to go to the court. She opted out. We had a meeting here in Chambers of Commerce, and then the Artists Association President, Mr. Ambrish, late Mr. Ambrish, who is not alive now, he had addressed the issue along with the whole of the office bearers of the commerce, as well as all the Artists Association members were also invited. So, after which she was not happy with the decision, so she went ahead to the court. That is her right. Nobody can stop that. अगर हम लोग बोलते हैं कि आप कोर्ट में नहीं जा सकते हो, किसी ने दबाव कर दिया, दबाव डाल दिया उनके ऊपर और बोल दिया कि मतलब they have given some blackmailing things or threatening calls, if there is any such thing, then she should come forward and prove it. No, we don't need. There is no unity. There need not be unity at all, because every producer is an independent on its own. This unity is not about the film fraternity. Film fraternity, when it comes to film चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स, यहाँ पे यूनिटी एक ही है. इन लोगों का मानना ये है कि नहीं होना चाहिए कमेटी, जैसा हेमा कमेटी बना है वहाँ पे नहीं होना चाहिए. दे हैव अ क्लैरिटी इन दैट. तो देयर इज यूनिटी. द ओनली थिंग what has been misguided to all the media is Fire is still saying that they are part of this entity. तो है नहीं है ना. जब आप लोग बाहर गए, बाहर अपने एक ये एसोसिएशन बना दिए, तो अब कैसे बनी है हमारे यहाँ पे? तो यूनिटी की बात ही नहीं होता है, पैदा ही नहीं होता है, बिकॉज दे हैव गॉन आउट ऑफ इट एंड दे हैव फॉर्म देयर ओन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड वी डोंट नो अंडर व्हाट एक्ट दे हैव फॉर्म. नोबडी नोज दैट. if at all the government of Karnataka says that ये committee होनी चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, then you take us under the government. You recognize us with the government umbrella. You make us part of the government. That means that we also need deduction of tax, deduction of in the tax deduction तो है नहीं है हमारे ऊपर, ना आर्टिस्ट को है, ना प्रोड्यूसर को है, ना डायरेक्टर, किसी को भी नहीं है. We are paying 18% of GST anyway, other than the other taxes. So every tax you reduce it, you make us a part of industry. You call us an industry. You recognize us. Then तो इस incentives भी आएगा ना, तभी तो बन सकता है. How can they come today and say that you should have a committee which will consider of an NGO? Why will I take on NGO which is of a foreign body? I myself don't know what NGO is that. As it is, Supreme Court has given 90% of the NGOs are fake. How do you even authenticate an NGO? If the government body is saying that, government is not saying that I'm going to come and sit here. No, they're saying we have to put the NGO. What authentication that do they have? How can they have a NGO coming and surveillance में के अंडर क्यों होना चाहिए हम लोगों को? एक तो बात वो है, एक तो बात ये है कि यहाँ पे केस बना ही नहीं है. तो अगर वो केस की बात कर रहे हैं तो केस डालना चाहिए उनको. कहाँ डाले उन लोगों ने? और अगर वो बोल रहे कि वो इंडस्ट्री है तो फिर you should ask under what act that I have formed that industry.